Okay, so this is what food prep looks like. 1 day out. Potatoes, chicken. More potatoes, more chicken. Coconut oil. Potatoes, potatoes. Okay, eating on the go.
What's your potatoes?
White taters. Chicken. And that's it. Lifestyle of a competitor. This is how you eat a potato. That's how I not eat a potato. So here we are, Whole Foods, and we're gonna show you guys what we like to eat after competition. We gotta pick up some little, there's a car about to hit me right now. We have to pick up some little like rice cakes and red meat for tomorrow. And but yeah, you can see we get a lot of questions about like, what's my favorite cheat meal and what do we eat after competition, all this other stuff. And we decided to bring you guys along with us so you can see what we get. All right, so let's go. So sushi is a must. Seaweed salad, salmon avocado.
What's too close?
Salmon avocado roll, tuna avocado roll. Good. And spicy shrimp tempura. So that's the sushi run for now. And so we picked up some flank steak. That'll be probably the first and second meal tomorrow. I like red meat for like natural creatine and zinc, vitamins, minerals. It fills me up really good, so we'll have that before for each other. And then rice cakes. Every competitor knows the struggle of rice cakes. And now we're about to pick up some peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter sex right there. Here we go. Muffins. Chocolate croissant. Cookies.
Top note, I like this one.
Okay, Whole Foods is done. Time to hit fro-yo. Show you guys how to really put together a champion like fro-yo cup. Okay? Okay, so you do fro-yo. Toppings first. Frozen yogurt. And you gotta go like this to get like the air displacement out of there. Back to the toppings. Back to the fro-yo. Toppings last. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay? Brownies. Whoops. That's bad. Brownies. Some cheesecake bites.
But like I said, I still go on 6:30 to 8 every week.
Gotta get Reese's peanut butter cups.
I just don't have the
Okay, it's like a pot of gold right here. When you're all done with the fro-yo, just finish off the toppings. Snickers. Okay. What's the good ones?
So look at the screen. I say get 100 and start banking with Wells Fargo.
Peanut butter.
On my way to $100.
Yeah.
So I say get 100 and you'll tell me how I can get $100.
Yeah.
Great. Then I'd like to get.
Oh, this looks so good. We can't even eat it tonight.
Including non-interest earning checking accounts with a $50 minimum deposit and make 10 purchases or payments with your debit card in 60 days. Visit Wells Fargo.
Should be a professional fry, okay? Air displacement. Okay. Fro-yo's done. See if you can see in there. We have like 3 ginormous containers. We spent about, how much, $28, $29. So everybody who thinks they spend a lot of money at fro-yo and you spend like $10 to $12, you're not spending anything. Before tan skin. After tan. So yeah, we'll get touched up tomorrow morning. Now I'm black. Alright, so more potatoes. You getting the peanut butter? Whole Foods.
Ooh.
Sexy. First and second meal. Plain steak. We got a pound of it at Whole Foods. And we'll eat, I'll eat about probably 5 ounces with like, maybe like 350 grams of white potato. And the beautiful woman behind the camera will probably eat like 3 or 4 ounces with 250 grams of yams for our first meal. And then we have a second meal of this. And then, yeah, by then it'll be probably 10 o'clock, about an hour and a half before prejudging. And we'll start filling up on like the muffins and stuff that you guys saw us buy at Whole Foods earlier. And probably some rice cakes and peanut butter in between there. And we don't deplete any water at all. Today I think we drank about 2 gallons of water today, the day before the show. We drank about 2.5 gallons Sunday to Thursday. And yeah, I don't believe in any like water depletion, low in sodium, low in potassium, diuretics, none of that. We don't do any of that. If you look good a week before the show, you don't have to do anything. So just be in shape before the show, and then you don't have to worry about all these little magic formulas that everybody preaches about contest prep. So we'll get back to this. We'll catch you guys tomorrow at the show.